So we're here in CHINWA restaurant, a Chinese restaurant, pampaswerte. So come on, let's check it out.
Good evening. Good evening, so welcome. We're here in CHINWA Chinese restaurant. Okay, so we're here to vlog, or for our vlog is about food review, and we wanted to share our experience with this restaurant. Okay, so with that, meron kami pinipare ng criteria. It's a 5 criteria. We call it APGAR score. Parang sa baby lang. Okay?
Parang sa newborn.
So yung letter A, it stands for the ambiance. So
yes.
Each category, by the way, is will receive the highest score of 5, and the lowest is 1.
Oh, education,
so
education.
For letter A, it's the ambience. So we'll see. We'll look at it. Okay?
So for second letter B is the preparation time.
So letter G is good taste.
And especially for the another letter A is affordability.
Budget friendly ba? Okay.
Dapat importante yun.
Okay, so
Letter R.
of course yung letter because so yung letter R is it recommendable? Okay, so syempre kakainin muna namin.
A few moments later.
Joking.
Yummy. It's hot. Sarap. It's yummy.
Ha?
Yummy.
Hindi siya pagkuha pa.
Sige, sige.
Subo mo sa kanya. Lagyan mo ng kulay green. Kaya sa akin.
Grabe, parang kumakain ng bayabas.
The best. Nice. One.
Paborito yung vegetarian.
Nice.
Sorry. Open the mouth, baby. Bilis, baka magtawan.
So how was it?
He's handsome.
Paano masabi?
He's very athletic. He has a beautiful body. And a beautiful smile.
Nakakaloko ka. Wow!
Bawiin mo yung sinabi mo kung hindi susuntukin kita.
Nice. So later guys, sasabihin namin sa inyo or i-reveal namin kung ano yung mga scores namin dito sa foods na prepare nila sa amin. Stand by kayo dyan.
12 o'clock midnight.
Hello, Loyals! So we're done eating. We're going to give our food review according to Apgar score. So, first we're going to rate the ambience. So, what will you say about the ambience, Loy?
Ambiance for me, CHINWA, so Chinese. How about you, Bren?
For me, the ambience is very nice. The artworks are very nice also. So, we enjoy eating on that establishment. Sir Pat,
I'm
what
the
can you
next.
say? Yes.
Well, I think it's appropriate. The setup, as you said, the design.
So, it's very inviting and very artistic.
So letter P, preparation time. So preparation time, mabilis naman. For me, in a scale of 5, preparation time is 5. How about you, Brent?
Yes, for me it's 5. Napakabilis. Maybe around 10 minutes only. We have already our food. It's already ready. Okay,
Well-
Sir Pat?
Well, agree ako. Kasi usually, if you eat sa mga restaurant, at least 15 minutes to 30 minutes ang preparation kasi lalo pag niluluto. Okay, so tama lang yung length of time of waiting, yung duration.
So, for me, it's 5. Very short yung waiting time. Tsaka, hindi ko napansin na nandyan na pala yung food. So, very worth the wait. Short wait.
Letter G, so good. Letter G, so the taste is so good. How about you, Bren?
Very nice ang food. I enjoyed it.
The good taste.
Yeah, good taste. Very nice.
This?
Yes.
Well, very ano siya, very what do you call this? Tasty. Rich in flavor. Yun.
Yo, dali mo.
5 pa rin. Very good yung meat. Napaka-tasty at saka very delightful ang lasa.
So letter A,
Affordability.
affordability. So affordability, teka lang, tanungin ko muna si Sir Pat yung nagbayad eh. Galat nito eh. Sir Pat, magkano ba nabayaran?
Well,
Hindi, magkano ba? Apat tayo. Hindi kasi kung masasagot ko sana kung ako nagbayad. Tanungin natin sa aming mayor.
based
Mayor, magkano mayor?
based from their price list and based also sa kanilang serving, I think affordable siya kasi yung isang serving like the ramen, it's good for 2 already. Okay,
Oo.
so sa price, kung titignan mo sa price niya, good for 2 siya. Well, basically mura siya, tipid siya.
Grabe yung fried rice. Talagang sa mga rice eater na katulad ko, panalong panalo talaga. Ikaw, Lay, rice eater ka rin ba?
Medyo, like, sobrang okay naman siya. Worth the price at yung worth the servings. Yung dami ng kanyang rice and ulam.
Itatanungin natin yung nakadalawang juice. Nakadalawang order ng juice.
Nakadalawang juice ako. So, in base sa price.
Pero Bren, isa lang ang juice, oh.
Yes, ang score ko dyan is maybe 4. 4 because sa presyo, kaya medyo mataas. Sa presyo niya and sa amount ng food, na quantity ng food na sinabi sa inyo.
Tawa kasi si Lay. Okay. Sorry, Bren.
4 sa akin 4.
Okay.
Kasi sa pag-base mo yung price sa quantity ng food na isi-serve sa inyo, it's fair enough naman.
Pero nakadalawa kang juice, no?
Yes.
Lagi mo tatandaan, isa lang ang juice. Sige.
pero
Kung dalawang juice, extra juice yun.
Oo, extra juice. Pero overall, medyo pricey nga siya kung tutuusin.
Paano pricing ang okay naman.
Sa akin, kaya 4 kasi
Hindi kasi binili mo isang juice. kasi kasi,
Kaya nga eh.
si Sir pa nagbayad. Kaya nasabi ni Breno pricey kasi nag-extra juice siya. Oo. Okay. So letter ano tayo? Letter R. Sa yung last letter ng okay, last letter ng Apgar scoring every food review is letter R.
Sa score siguro.
Which is ano, recommendation?
Highest is 25.
Yes, each letter have a score of 5.
Highest is
5 is the highest and 0 is the lowest.
Total na?
0 is the lowest or 1?
1.
1 is the lowest.
Total na score?
Sa recommendation na yun.
Recommendation.
Oh, pwede, sige. So, Lay, let's start with Layan. Ang namilit sa akin na magkausap sa cashier na hindi naman talaga ako, hindi ko ginagawa ang umorder. Lay?
Kasi nagtantrums yung kasama ko. So, so 24
Out of 25?
out of 25.
So, what you will tell to your friends? Is it recommendable?
Yeah, it's recommendable. If you're a fanatic of international food, you will love it. For me, it's 24.
Okay. Sa akin naman, out of 25, I would 24.5. Yung 0.5 is dahil dinagdagan ko yung score nila na 24 kasi ng 0.5 is kasi talagang sulit yung rice. May take out pa ako. Kumbaga, kumain ako ngayong gabi, may baon pa ako bukas. So, recommended to sa akin, para sa akin. Sa'yo, Bren?
Yo, sa akin 24.5.
Nako! Dahil sa juice.
So, total
Bumawi.
24.5. So, 24.5, yun nga dahil sa juice yung 0.5, nakadalawa akong sarap kasi. So, overall, sulit na sulit. I will recommend it to my friends and to my loved ones.
Next report, our best,
Highly recommended.
our best food reviewer.
Best food review.
Our channel guest.
Ganun.
We will have a part of our vlog that we will call Patrick versus Shawarma. Okay, or Patrick versus food. So ito na po ang finale ng ating trio ang tagapayo.
Conclusion, for me, highly recommended for everyone, especially kung ikaw ay Chinese kasi or ikaw ay Asian kasi it's very rich in flavors yung kanilang mga food na sinaserve. And the best is very friendly ang kanilang staff. So, very accommodating.
Ay, dapat pala
Very
isama natin din yung mga sa staff. So, yung sa staff sa Apgar.
Ang aming cashier si
Apgars.
Julius.
Si Julius. Shout out
I
sa'yo.
don't know the other name of the guy. Thank you very much.
Shout out kay Chef.
din.
Shout out sa inyo.
Sa mga cashier at sa mga assistant chef dun sa loob na hindi
Yes.
naman namin nakita. So, hello.
Salamat.
CHINWA, the best.
Nag-enjoy kami sa inyo, Chinwa.
I think the score is 24.5, majority.
Majority,
Yes.
24.5.
Highly recommended.
Sige.
So, post na lang natin down below yung location.
Dito yung location. Dito,
Go
yun.
guys, saan lalabas dyan?
Yan, dito, okay? So, till our next
So, click
food review.
like and subscribe.
Yun pa pala muna bago mag-end. Click.
Like and subscribe.
Okay.
Don't forget the notification bell.
See you on the next vlog.
Disclaimer muna tayo.
Okay.
Panat, boss. Disclaimer.
Disclaimer lang po, hindi kami mga professional na food reviewer and we are not also a chef. Mahilig lang talaga kaming kumain.